Hello batchmates, Alvin Santiago here, and on behalf of my wife Jonah Sitioko Santiago from 4-1, we want to greet all of us from Green Piping Batch 2000 a happy 25th year anniversary. Hopefully sa susunod na reunion makauwi kami sa Pilipinas at nang maka-join kami. Pero in the meantime, we hope you'll have a great time and enjoy each other's company.
Hi mga batchmates, si Charmaine Puto from Autistic Class 4-1. Happy 25 years of friendship. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo ngayon lahat. And sana rin po ligtas din kayo. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. And God bless po sa inyong lahat. Thank you.
Hey everyone, Choi Gonzalez Lansang here from 4-1. Greeting you a blessed and festive reunion. Grabe, parang kailan lang yung mga projects and assignments lang yung iniisip natin. Ngayon, karamihan sa atin yung tuition and yung projects na ng mga Junakis ang iniisip. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the party. Although I can't join, you all. Let's just celebrate how far we've come, the people we've become, and the journey that started here together. Here's to friendship that lasts, memories that never get old, and to the next 25 years being even better than the first. Stay healthy and ingat kayo lahat dyan. Thank you!
Happy 25th anniversary po sa batch natin, MIST Batch 2000 Green Piping. Sana nandyan ako, kaya lang hindi nag-align yung schedule ng bakasyon ko dun sa Pilipinas. But anyhow, I wish you all the best. Hope you enjoy and have a good time, and I'll see you all soon. Congrats!
Hi guys, this is Stephen Marin ng 4-1. Binabati ko ang ating batch sa ating 25th anniversary, and looking forward sa masaya at memorable na ating batch reunion this year. Hindi man ako makapunta ngayon, but hopefully the next years I will be able to come. Enjoy and see you next time.
Happy 25th anniversary sa batch 2000.
Enjoy kayo dyan. Bye-bye.
Happy 25th from Doha, Qatar. Enjoy the night.
Greetings from Sydney. Happy 25th anniversary to our batch 2000. And I just want to speak blessings to everyone. In the book of Numbers, chapter 6, the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. And the Lord turn His face toward you and give you perfect peace. Have a great time, everyone, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Magandang gabi. Nabati ko nga pala yung mga kabatch ko from batch 2000. Lalong-lalo na yung classmate ko from 4-2.
Happy 25th anniversary, batchmates! Enjoy kayo dyan!
States, feliz aniversario por nuestros 25 años. Ciao!
Hi batchmates, this is Michelle Villacarles Marasingan of 4-2. Happy 25th anniversary to all of us, and I hope to see all of you again someday. Have fun and enjoy the night.
Kumusta? Umabot na tayo ng 25 taon. Happy anniversary sa ating lahat. Pare-parehas na muka, pero mas marami ng istorya, saka syempre wrinkles. Pagkatapos ng 25 taon, eto, tayo, syempre, may kanya-kanyang magagandang buhay o hindi na magagandang buhay, pero bumabangon at bumabangon pa rin at hindi nagpapatalo. Welcome home sa ating batch 2000.
Mula dito sa lupain ng shawarma, gusto kong batiin lahat ng happy 25th homecoming anniversary. And sa edad natin na to, sana tayo ay perming manatiling malusog at all the best for everybody. Happy anniversary again. Bye-bye.
Hi guys! Happy 25th anniversary! Enjoy the party! Good evening, batchmates. First of all, let us thank God for giving us this opportunity, another milestone to celebrate the 25th year reunion, MIST Batch 2000. So, very thankful and proud na nakapag-study ako sa MIST kasi dito ko na-meet yung aking ex-GF na wife ko na ngayon. So, thank you all for reaching out to us. I'm sure marami naka-prepare na masaya activities, masarap na food. So, kudos to all of the organizers.
Hope to see you all soon, batchmates, and enjoy the night. Bye.
Bye. God bless. God bless everyone.
Hi, batchmates. Happy 25th anniversary to us. Have a fun night ahead, and thank you some organizers.
Hi, batchmates. I hope you are all well. I'm sorry to miss the reunion this time. I hope you guys have fun catching up and reminiscing the good old times. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Happy 25th anniversary, Green Piping.
Hi classmates and fellow alumni of MIST. This is Roseni de la Cruz Aguilar, sending a message from Prince Albert, Saskatchewan, Canada. Grabe, it's been 25 years. And I know most of us look exactly the same. And I just hope that everyone is doing well. And yeah, I'm just so happy that there's a chance for us to get together, although I'm not there in the Philippines. Hope you enjoy the night, and please post some photos and videos to keep us updated. Have a good day!
Hello mga batchmates! Parang kailan lang nag-graduate tayo ng high school, pero 25 years na pala yun. Happy anniversary sa atin and congrats sa ating lahat. Enjoy the event and thank you sa mga organizers.
Hello batchmates! Hello po teachers! I'm Aiza from 4-5. Pasensya na, naisa ako sa mga hindi makaka-attend for this batch reunion. Pero kaisa ng mga batchmates natin na nasa malalayong lugar, saan mang sulok ng mundo, we are so happy and we are so grateful for us all reaching this far. Wala man kami dyan, pero masayang masaya ako at malamang tayong lahat na andito pa tayo. Dahil alam naman natin na marami na sa mga batchmates natin ang wala na dito, pero alam kong masaya rin sila para sa ating lahat. So guys, I wish na okay kayong lahat, in good health, successful, at maging masaya sa event na ito. We are with you guys in spirit. Salamat at ingat kayong lahat. Enjoy. Hope to see you soon. Bye!
Hello po sa mga batchmate ko at sa mga teachers namin. Sayang hindi kami makapunta. Na-miss namin yung kwentuhan, party, celebration, ganyan, ganun. Pero di bale, meron pa naman yata next time. Sana makapunta na kami next time. Sa mga teachers po namin, ma'am, teacher, thank you po sa mga tinuro nyo sa amin, sa patience nyo po. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy kayo. See you in the next one. Sana meron ulit. Thank you, bye-bye, see ya.
Hi sa inyong lahat, Seba 45.
Hi batchmates, happy 25th anniversary. Ingat.
All our batch 2000 kay eskwela, happy 25th anniversary.
Good evening batchmates, happy 25 years. Thank you sa mga nag-organize ditong reunion. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi matutuloy yung reunion nyo dyan sa Pinas. Babawi na lang kaming mga nasa ibang bansa siguro pag uwi, sana makompleto if ever na mag-uwian man kami. And mag-enjoy lang kayo, deserve nyo to. Para sa inyo tong gabi na to. So have fun batchmates, and shout out sa 4-6. I miss you all and hope to see you soon. Bye!
Hi batchmates, Camille Calpito. I'm greeting you here from Ireland. Sorry, na-miss ko yung ating batch reunion. It's been 25 years no, since nung nag-graduate tayo and last tayo ng lahat na nagkita-kita as a batch. I can't imagine your faces right now. I know you're all happy and excited na nagkita-kita kayo dyan, nagkasama-sama kayo. And lalo na sa section namin, section 4-6. Hi sa inyong lahat. I miss you all. And sana, I hope everyone is having a good time, enjoying the food, the drinks, and the fun. And sana, hopefully, next year, no, kung meron ulit, kung makauwi ako, I hope to see you all guys soon. Okay, bye!
Hi, Green Piping! Happy anniversary! Hindi mo na ako atin. Next time na lang. Bye!
Hello mga titos and titas! Happy 25th anniversary sa ating lahat. No? So, batch 2000. Imagine mo, no? 25 years ago, tayo lang yung nagtitito and tita. Ngayon, tayo na ang tinitito at tita. Ang bilis lumipas ng panahon. Anyway, I hope you are all in good health and may God bless you all.
Happy 25th anniversary!
Hi classmates, batchmates, happy 25 years sa atin. Ingat kayo dyan, enjoy.
Happiest 25th reunion, mga Y2K batchmates. Mag-enjoy kayo sa reunion natin. Sayang lang at hindi ako nakasama in person. Pero anyways, good luck, good health, and God bless sa inyo lahat. Ingat palagi ha.
Hi guys, it's Romray here, just dropping in a quick message to greet you all a happy 25th year anniversary sa batch natin. Grabe, I can't believe it's been 25 years, let alone since I've last seen you all. I'm sorry I can't be there today.